guys, it's Cal here. We're gonna make kind of a video for you I've never made before. I don't know why. I'm coming up on 50 here very, very soon, matter of days. And for whatever reason, I want to do something I've never done before. I want to put a couple of streaks in my goatee. So I have no idea what to expect. My wife could completely laugh her ass off at me when this is all said and done. I have no idea, but yeah, we're gonna go through this and see what the hell it comes out right, or comes out like. Wish me luck.
Minutes later.
Okay, well, it's been in about 9 minutes or so. So it says to give it a rinse until the water comes clear and then shampoo it. So let's throw our head under the tap and see what the hell this turns into. So definitely not what I expected. Okay, so here is browner. Still got the gray in here. Definitely not that color. So anyway, this was interesting. Didn't quite turn out the way I expected it. I expected something a lot more dramatic, but there it is. So anyway, hope you guys had a bit of a laugh at my expense. Thanks, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.